Hello everyone, in this video I'm just gonna be going straight to showing you how you can transfer any token from Binance exchange into another Binance exchange. That is what I'll be showing you in this video, and then in the next video that I'll be dropping, I'll be showing you how I do P2P for those of you that have been asking. So if you're new in this channel, kindly ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so that whenever I'm dropping the next video, you are always going to be notified on time. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you have to ensure that your Binance wallet is up to date, okay? Because a whole lot of features are often added every blessed month, all right? Or most times every two weeks, some updates are always being added on the Binance app. So you should ensure that you are using the latest and updated version of the Binance app, all right? So the first thing you have to know is that in Binance, if you want to send your tokens easily from your Binance to another Binance exchange, you can make use of two ways to do that. You can either make use of your email or your phone number and then the UID. You can see it's about 3 ways. So here in this video, what you'll be doing is this. For you to be able, first of all, I want you to know that for you to be able to locate your UID, you have to come over to where you have to head over to the top right corner where you have this, okay? As soon as you tap on that section, you can copy your UID, because one of the first ways that you can send your any token from your Binance to another Binance is through the UID section, all right? And here is your UID on Binance. You've seen this right here. This is your ID, all right? You can transfer to any Binance through this ID. So what you are going to be doing is that if you want to transfer your token to another Binance user, you have to tell that Binance user or your opponent to send you his or her Binance UID, all right? He has to send you his or her Binance UID, okay? So you will tell him to go and copy his Binance, and the person has to go to open his Binance account and copy this. So as soon as that person copies this, you have to, or if you want to either see it in a clearer view, you just tap on it, okay? As soon as you tap on it, it's going to show up this. You can see ID, here is the UID, here is the ID. You just tap on this and copy it. You have to tell the person to copy it, all right? So I've just showed you how to copy your UID in case someone wants to transfer to you or do internal transfer. You should know that internal transfer means transferring from your Binance to another Binance, okay? It means transferring from one Binance to another Binance. I hope that is clear enough. Good. Now let us go to how you can do the process. The first thing you have to do is to come to, after knowing that, now you've known how to copy your UID, the first thing you have to do is to come down here where you have this asset. You click on it. So as soon as you click on it, now you can see send, okay? You see this send button right here. You tap on it, all right? As soon as you tap on it, you can now see send to Binance users. Here is where you go to. Don't go to here. Don't even go to here, all right? Here is where you go to. What did I say? Here is where you go to. You go to the send to Binance user section, all right? You come over here and tap on it, okay? As soon as you tap on it, it's going to load up the next section. It's going to load up the next section. Just wait for a while. It will load up this page, okay? Now, as soon as it loads up this page, you have two options here to send, okay? You can decide to send through email or phone number or through the Binance UID, all right? Now, if you tap on this email or phone number here, you can now paste. It will take you to show up this. Now, this column right here is showing because by default is already on email and phone number. So if you have the email of that person that you want to send tokens to, you go and copy his email, and the email that he has to send you is the email that he used to open his Binance. I hope that is clear enough. So you go and collect his email, come down here and paste it. And when you paste it, you are going to click on continue, okay? Then when you click on continue, it's going to give you access to send take you to the next section where you can select the token that you want to send. All right. So as soon as you select that token you want to be sending, it is going to send automatically. All right. So another ways that you can send to another Binance user is through the Binance UID. So when you click on this section here, you can go and copy that UID that I sent you, or you tell that person, your opponent, to copy his or her UID. So whenever that person copies his or her UID, you come over here and paste it here. All right. So you have to go and collect his UID, come over here and paste it here. And as soon as you click on here, you can now continue with the process. Then as soon as you click on this continue right here, the token is going to be sent immediately to that person, and that person is going to receive it in his or her Binance app. I hope that is clear enough. So these are the ways that you can send it. You can see that these are the two ways you can send, do or perform internal transfer, okay, to anybody. All right. So let me show you another thing you need to know. Let's go back. Now, in case you want to send a token, so this is one more thing you need to know in order to understand all the process I have just showed you or explained to you. You have to come here. You see this section right here. You see this section. These are often where all the tokens that you have on your Binance exchange will always be reflected. These are all the tokens that I've had in the past, okay? So for me to be able to, if I want to send, for instance, for the sake of this video, if I want to send hamster coins to another Binance user, I have to come over here and click on it, okay? I have to click on this Binance section. Now it has taken me to this page. So if you look down here where you have this send, you will always see send in case you want to send to another different Binance exchange. You always see send. Always tap on this send. Okay? You tap on it. So as soon as you tap on it, you will now see send to Binance, which is the internal transfer. All right? This is the internal transfer I'm talking about. So you click on this internal transfer, okay? So you tap on it. So as soon as you tap on it now, it is going to bring you back to this page that I was telling you about. It will bring you here. You can see that here this section is currently toggled onto Binance UID. No more email UID. When once you see that it's toggled onto the Binance UID, you can see that Binance is even reflecting right here. So you go ahead and tell the person to send you his Binance UID. So as soon as that person sends you his Binance UID, you come here and paste it right here. And then as soon as you paste it right here, you click on continue, and then you approve the transactions. And then it's going to be sent immediately to that person's Binance UID. I hope that is clear enough. Good. So like I said once again, these are the two methods of which you can use to send out your token to another Binance exchange. Okay, you can either decide to use the Binance UID, or you can either decide to toggle it on to the left and use the email or phone number of the person. I hope that is clear enough. If this video was helpful, let me know in the comment section, and if you have anything you would like me to discuss about, still let me know in the comment section, and see you in the next video.